Hi, Stuart Barn here, and this is a quick video on the major blues scale. Now, the major blues scale is the major pentatonic, but with a flat 3 added. If you don't know any music theory yet, you don't know what a flat 3 is, don't worry. Let's just say that it is one of the minor pentatonic scale notes. Here is the major pentatonic shape 1 in A. Now, the note that we add in is this one, which if you think about it was in A minor pentatonic. So there it is. We already know what it sounds like. It creates tension. Here's my A backing. Kind of a nice bluesy sound. So just like with any other tension note, you can use it in two obvious ways: with emphasis to create a striking moment of tension, and in passing for a more sort of tumbling jazzy sound. Here's both examples. Those in passing, and now. So I recommend clocking at time, trying both approaches. As always, try to stay aware of when you are or are not playing chord tones. That is the chord shape that we're playing over. Most of the, well, three of the 6 notes in this scale are chord tones. As usual, do it in different keys, try different backings, different time signatures, and persevere. Spend a bit of time, maybe a week on it, and then switch to another task. I hope you found the video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and click subscribe, and feel free to share it. See you in the next video.